Special thanks to my Patreon subscribers for keeping this channel alive. Ever since I was little, I've always wanted to do formation flying. And well, here's my chance. I finally got a flying buddy and we fly together all the time. But here's the catch. My plane can't keep up with his, like, at all. So this is how I ended up here, needing a faster plane. Okay, what I need are delta wings and EDFs. I've got the delta wings, but not the EDFs. You know what? Let me ask for one. See, I gotta do a little more than just that. I have an investor, and I have to meet requirements in order to buy things. Now, let's have a quick chat with our investor to buy that EDF. Well, looks like we have our work cut out for us. So, I got distracted. Yeah, let's just say indestructible planes weren't the smartest idea. This is a fighter plane Mark 1. At least what's left of it. Now, this plane is a bit interesting. All of the control surfaces are on the elevators and not the wings. This way, I can put flaps and slats on them later, when the plane flies, of course. Not at all. Okay, so with the power of YouTube, you guys can tell me what the fuck's wrong with this thing? Let me know. I'll try to fix it. Alright, new day, new plane. This time I actually stayed simple with it. Now as you can see, it's a simple fuselage with a rear-facing engine with a delta wing that also has ailerons and elevators on it. Biggest thing too, it has a bottom fin. This bottom fin acts like a protector for the propeller and also can double as a rudder. And also we have two side fins. These side fins just give it a smaller profile while giving us extra vertical stability. Okay, let me know when you're ready. I don't know, do you guys want more tricks on this thing? Oh! We're running back to the car to charge the goggles and the camera because I forgot to charge it. Okay, development. So I forgot to charge both the Go3 pod and my FPV goggles. So I'm staying in the car for like the past 20 minutes trying to charge, and I should be leaving soon to go fly again. Yeah, that's crazy. It's okay.
Oh,
No, go 3 is fine.
fun, yeah.
It's not a scratch. The camera here is not a scratch. Dude, look at that rock inside of it. I won't lie to you, I have no idea how that panned out the way it did, but thank God. And finally, after completing all of my requirements and surviving a near-death experience, we can buy that stupid EDF. Dude, I don't know if this is safe. This is fucking awesome, bro. Oops, Hayden. We're done. I have to replace the entire nose, but I mean, that's not like a big thing to do. 2 possibly cooked off batteries, which we don't know yet. I forgot to fly the plane upside down last time, so we're gonna do that over in the field right here. Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh! Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Nope, nope.